Description: the ultimate blow-drying tool. Buttercup Blow-Dryer features an ultra-powerful 1875-watt motor and Ionic Technology to provide a shiny blowout with less frizz in 20% less time than most professional dryers. Benefits: lightweight design and professional length power cord allow for comfortable styling. Suggested use: 2 concentrator nozzles allow for more customized airflow. Ultra-powerful 1875-watt motor and Ionic Technology provide the shiniest, frizz-free blowouts in 20% less time than most professional dryers. The benefits: Ionic Technology. Negative ion generator blows billions of negative ions into hair to seal the cuticle and reduce frizz while drying. Wave heater allows for uniform heat distribution for faster and more even drying. Lightweight design, 1 pound 2 ounces, 0.51 kilograms, allows for comfortable styling. Features a professional length 9 feet, 2.74 meters cord. 3 heat and 2 power settings allow for the perfect customized blowout. Includes 2 concentrator nozzles for customized airflow. Top reviews from the United States. Well worth the money. Best blow dryer I have ever used. Light, dries fast, hair feels amazing.